This is still being rebuilt, so all the warning stickers that should be on here, caution and whatnot, they're not there yet. It does have different toe guards on the front. They are 20 inches across, where I think the originals are 12. Don't hold me to that. Couldn't find them, but I found 20 inches. Just meant one more bolt and drilling a hole in the deck. Figured a 20-inch toe guard couldn't hurt it. But there it is. Ford 930 5-foot finishing mower. Not to be confused with a 930A. What's the difference between a 930 and a 930A? Don't know. Newer version? Get the caution warning stickers on her. She'd be looking pretty good. And let's see. We got 2 belts under here. We got our drive box off the PTO. Has 2 grooves in it. You got your center spindle back here. It's got 2 grooves. And then your right hand, left as we're looking at it here, but right hand, 1 groove on the pulley on the spindle, 1 groove. They're staggered. One's higher than the other for the right and left. It's kind of a funny way of getting the belts on, but and then here's your adjustment. You got these bolts here. Here's your 2 adjustment bolts, and then the same thing up there. You loosen. This is missing 2 bolts. I haven't got around to it. I got to grind that off, put a new bolt in, and that right there. It's missing that bolt. But other than that, not too bad. So there you go.